What is a debit? Debits are used in accounting when inputting transaction data into an entry. Debits normally increase the amount of an asset account and decrease the amount of a liability account. It must be noted that in double entry accounting, which is the method used internationally as well as in the United States, total debit entries must equal total credit entries. Credits are on the other side of the accounting entries. To learn more about this topic and many others through audio lectures, video lectures, and study guides, head over to www.thelearningbeanonline.com. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we know to answer more of your questions.